Jai Hind everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Drill Square, and today's picture is in front of your screen. In this picture, we can see a young adult male, approximately in the age group of 20 to 25 years, riding a bullock cart. He is standing on the cart platform and holding reins with his left hand and using the whip on the bull with his right hand, possibly trying to control it or to make it run fast. His posture appears alert and energetic. The bull is harnessed to the cart and is shown running forward in full speed. The cart has two large wheels and appears to be a traditional wooden bullock cart. The background looks rural with open land for a few small plants visible, suggesting a countryside setting. Overall, the mood of the scene appears purposeful and energetic. So this is our picture, and now we will be making stories on the same. This is a very popular picture and it is often repeated in the SSBs. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's start our video. Now, what all themes can be made on this picture? I am going to give you 5 of them. First, hero was preparing for an upcoming bullock cart race and was practicing speed, balance and control. Second, hero had recently bought a new bull, and since it was aggressive and difficult to handle, he was training him to control it safely. Third, hero was assigned the responsibility of transporting harvest or emergency supplies quickly and was testing the bullock cart under pressure. Fourth, hero was learning traditional farming skills and training the bull for daily agricultural work and disciplined movement. Fifth, hero was selected to represent his village in a cultural or festival event and was rehearsing to demonstrate his control and confidence. These are the possible themes that can be made on this particular picture, and this is a very popular picture. It often comes in the SSB. Now we are going to pick 2 themes among the 5 that I just gave you, and we'll make stories on them. Alright, so here we go. Rohit lived in a rural area where an annual bullock cart race was organized during the harvest festival, and this year he was about to participate in the race for the first time. Okay, so this particular first sentence clarifies the name and aim of the hero. Remember, whenever you write story in the TAT or PPDT, your first or maximum your 2 lines should explain the name and aim of the hero. So name is Rohit and aim is to participate in the bullock cart race. Almost 3 months were remaining for the competition and Rohit began his preparation seriously. Now this line shows that he didn't start preparing only just before 15 days or a month. वो practical नहीं है. So he started preparing पहले से. This shows reasoning ability and this shows sense of responsibility. He selected a healthy bull and focused on building coordination and trust with it. Every morning he practiced controlling the cart on village roads to improve balance and speed. Now this is what is shown in the picture, that the man is trying to control or trying to run his bull. Now what is shown in the picture has to come in your story as soon as possible. Otherwise it will become a past oriented story. पहले वो जल्दी से जल्दी बता दो जो पिक्चर में दिख रहा है. Post then you write what happened next. Alright, so we have done that. He also trained on the actual race route to gain better orientation and confidence. Rohit also recorded his timings and worked daily to improve them gradually. He paid close attention to the bull's diet, ensuring proper feed and rest to maintain strength and stamina. He observed experienced racers and adopted techniques to manage turns and maintain steady control. He regularly checked the cart, wheels and harness to ensure safety. Rohit avoided overtraining and allowed sufficient recovery time for the bull. Over the weeks, his control and coordination improved noticeably. Now you see all these actions, all these steps. This shows your organizing ability, your clarity of thoughts, that when you have a task in hand, how do you execute it? You might be having an amazing theme, but if you do not execute it properly, it will look poor. So it is very important to have clarity of thoughts. Finally, Rohit participated in the event, won it and celebrated it with his bull, family and friends. So this ending line shows that he did pay respect to his bull. He celebrated with the bull. अब वो कैसे किया वो छोड़ो, but समझ गया ना आप लोग. तो ये है. And no one praised him. No one gave him rewards, awards, recognition, तालियां. Don't have to write all of that. Simply he celebrated and he was content. That's all that is required. Okay, so now for our second story, We will select this theme in which Rohit was selected to represent his village in a cultural or festival event and was rehearsing to demonstrate his control and confidence. So this will be a theme for our next story. Have a look at it. Rohit was about to represent his village in a cultural festival after 3 months where traditional bull control skills were demonstrated. Okay, so again, name and aim of the hero are clear. Name is Rohit and aim is to represent the village in the cultural festival. Rohit was preparing for the same, and initially during the practice, the bull often picked up speed naturally and Rohit calmly guided it back using steady reins and clear voice commands along with the whip. Now, what is shown in the picture has been clearly described in the story and it has come only in the second line of our story. So it is very important to bring it ASAP, otherwise our story will become past oriented. He trained the bull to respond smoothly to turns, sudden pauses and directional changes. Rohit practiced maintaining balance on the cart while the bull moved briskly. He rehearsed entry and exit movements to match the festival layout. Rohit ensured proper feeding and rest so the bull remained energetic but disciplined. He regularly checked the harness and cart for safety. As practice progressed, the bull became more responsive even during sudden bursts of movement. Rohit refined his posture and grip to show confidence and control. Now all these steps again show your clarity of thoughts and your organizing ability, which is very important. Finally, during the festival, Rohit participated confidently in the demonstration and performed well. Rohit thanked the public and praised his bull for the unconditional support. Again in the ending line, we did not receive any recognition, any reward or any award or any praises or claps. Instead, we thanked the public and praised our bull. So that is how we should be, selfless. So friends, this was our picture and the 2 stories that we made on it. If you have more themes, you can comment in the comment section. I would go through them. Friends, if you need clarity on the overall concept of TAT or how to make stories on SSB, I have made a complete dedicated video on the YouTube already. The video is there on the screen. You can click on it and go through it. Friends, this was our video for now. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind.